Oh Lord. Oh gosh. Oh god.
We're taking our first attempt actually cooking on our brand new Blackstone. So it looks really pretty right now. I don't know. We're doing the famous Smashburgers. I saw a lot of YouTube videos on Smashburgers. So we're gonna try Smashburgers, and we're gonna grill some pineapple, and we're gonna season more with bacon. Also, we don't have the temperature gun yet, so we don't really know what our temperature is. I'm gonna wing it like I do with every other pan I ever use. It better be good because this is dinner. That's my temperature. I'm checking the temperature right there. I don't know.
Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna turn her down. I think it's.
Turn her down. Okay. Right side bacon. It felt like it was sticking though, so.
Hope not. Just having challenges with the bacon over here. Look at that. Take a look at that.
Am I supposed to put oil down first? I don't think on bacon.
God, yes, probably.
Not on
Well,
bacon.
not on bacon. It's
Not on bacon.
coming out.
I got this bacon press forever ago, and I never use it on bacon, but I think it would work great.
Oh, Lord.
Here. It's also going to be my smash for my Smashburger. What it's for?
Cool.
Smashes the bacon down in the bacon press. Trying it out. I feel like it's supposed to come right off.
Oh, Lord. I think it's too hot.
Too hot.
Definitely too hot.
It's all the way down, right? Okay.
It is now, but the stone was already hot. So.
We need a temperature gun.
Yep. I'm gonna go buy one and run that one.
Is this how your bacon does?
This is about a hot mess right here.
Yeah.
Good job. That probably could be turned down a little bit too. Probably pretty hot. Good job.
I got too many tools in my hand. I can't even. I mean, what do I do? Oh, it went into the dirt pan.
Oh man, that's the grease maintenance area.
The grease. I just lost the bikini in the grease maintenance area.
Or the grease retrieval area, something like that.
My one concern, I mean, I love a cast iron, but my concern, all this grease. I mean, is that good for our heart? All this grease?
Let us know, because I'm curious.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? I mean, everybody's loving these griddles, but that's a whole lot of grease, and I haven't even got to Smashburgers yet. First, I'm going to clear off the pineapple and the veggies.
How are you going to put that for?
Here's what I saw on YouTube. Burger. Or did he smash malt one?
Burger.
I can't remember.
Burger. Nope, he didn't. You might want to set the temps even. You go.
Temps are good. Again, the bacon press.
Bacon press.
I'm not gonna smash them as far as I saw him smash them. Or maybe I did.
No, he was pretty thin.
Smashburger.
Where'd you get that little smasher?
Years ago, when we went and saw our friends Ron and Don, in Mississippi, I bought it thinking I needed a bacon smasher, and I've never used it. Look at now, years later, comes in handy. Whoa!
Well,
Raw that chicken. Little sale and pepe and onion powder and garlic. So here's the question again, all this grease. I mean, it's gonna taste juicy, right? But I don't know. Oh, it fell apart.
I don't know.
Let me just lower it.
Yeah, go a little bit lower now. Ooh, I don't know.
Help me out. It looks a lot better on the plate than it did in my cooking. So some of the problem, I've decided I didn't have a beer, and I need to watch more YouTubes about how to cook on a Blackstone. Hey, and be sure to leave us a comment below on whatever I'm supposed to be doing, because that sure didn't seem right. So I know it'll take practice, but hit that like button, leave me a comment, tell us what we need to do better on the Blackstone, and why you enjoy yours or don't. Anyway, until next time.